Hey, what's up, y'all? So grab a cup of coffee and go to the website and get one that says Dylan on it. That'd be cool. These are actually really good. They keep your coffee really hot. And sit down because we're going to talk about some music news going on in the world right now. And I think I want to start doing this on a regular basis. You let me know. Put it in the comments below. I'm just going to share stuff that I'm really excited about that has just been released. Gear stuff. Maybe we'll talk about gear. I don't know. We'll see what happens. The first thing I want to talk about this week is Artistides guitars. Now, this company in Europe has no wood in their guitars. They have some proprietary material called Arium is what they call it, and carbon fiber and Richlite fretboards, Hipshot hardware, really cool stuff. I think you should definitely look into this because this process is like next level 21st century and they are extremely popular. Really cool guitars. I want to start saving for one. They just came out with a new series called their Raw series, and it's supposed to it looks like it knocks about $500 off the cost of the guitar and makes the production time shorter, and they're beautiful. They actually inject this somehow the material of the guitar with a color instead of having to paint it. Makes total sense and keeps the cost down. So check it out. We'll leave a link to them in the description below, and we'll also leave a link to their shop video because they did a tour not too long ago of their shop and they show their process. It's crazy. It's unlike any other shop tour you've ever seen before. Joya's new Gembox 3 is a profiling sort of deal that comes in a pedal that's going to be under $400. That's going to give you kind of an intro into the digital game. You know, I'm super fan of it. Obviously, I have a Kemper, but a lot of these things are a little bit out of reach for a lot of people to try with any kind of quality. I think this thing's going to be super sick. It's going to have a software interface that you're going to be able to manipulate things. You're going to be able to put your own profiles in. It's going to have 157 effects types, 300 preset tones, and 26 different impulse responses. And you'll be able to manipulate this stuff according to the website with their software and then be able to add your own at some other time. I think this is a really cool thing. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried digital stuff recently. I don't mean like in 1987 and it sucked, because it all sucked in 1987, but lately, right? Like, let me know, and let me know if this is something, a $400 price point is the thing. Maybe will that get you kind of to take the leap into the digital realm? I think it's really cool. I might actually buy one of these because this thing's really cool and I think we could make some videos on it. I really think we might do that. Fractal Audio is also just coming out with a new floor unit called the FM3. It's going to have the same A-Res modeling technology that the AXFX3, like their flagship unit, has, and it's going to have 265 amp models or more in there with like 2,000 impulse responses, like speaker cabinets and all the other stuff that you need in this setup for $1,000. So it's a little bit more than the one we just talked about, but Fractal Audio is legendary in the cutting edge of this modeling stuff. I mean, Fractal and Kemper are like, you know, kind of top shelf. So $1,000 to have this unit is pretty sweet. Let me know what you think of this one in the comments below too, because it might be a little bit different user than the one we just discussed. Okay, and we have to talk about Woodstock 50. So Woodstock 50 was supposed to be the 50th anniversary of Woodstock, and they announced last week that it was canceled. The tickets were going to be $450. They've already got like 20 or 30 million dollars into paying artists, you know, guarantees and stuff to be there. There's been a bunch of artists that have pulled out of it. The main funding agency behind this, the advertising agency, it's a British place called Dentsu Aegis. They pulled their funding out, but Woodstock says, the brand says, well, they can't cancel it because Woodstock, the brand, didn't cancel it, and we actually still want to do it. But most of the funding is gone. My question to you is, would you have gone anyway after seeing the lineup? That's the question, right? $450 to go see this lineup, or these people plus some others. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And finally today, I want to know what you're listening to lately. What new stuff has come out that has kind of sparked your interest. I'm going to share somebody with you. He's called Pink Sweat. He's actually a hip hop artist. When you listen to this stuff, I really dig it because it's super stripped down, super simple, and there's guitar tone in like every song. And he actually varies what he's using here. I really, really dig it. He produces his own stuff. Super cool. He's collaborated with a lot of people, and I really dig it. So make sure you check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description below, and you tell me what you are listening to this week as well. Thanks for hanging out. This is something I want to try, just something new to kind of keep up with what's going on. I know we get kind of bogged down in gear stuff all the time, but there's new stuff coming out all the time that could give us an edge, to help us, to inspire us to be able to play better guitar. And I think some of the things that are coming out this week that have been announced are really, really super cool. We might not always have something amazing, but we'll always have something to talk about. I'm going to try to do it like once a week. You let me know in the comments below if there's a segment or something that you want to see featured. Put it in the comments below and we'll try to work it in. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll talk to you soon.